Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Он очень смешной. Часть первая, страница 87, 88, 89, 90. English, Starlight 3. He is very funny. Homework, part number 1, page number 87, 88, 89, 90. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 87. 87. Exercise number 3. Read the text and choose the right words. Прочтите текст и выберите нужные слова. The answer. My hero by Dylan. My hero is Shrek. He's very funny. He's got a big head and brown eyes. Look at his ears. They're very long. Shrek has got big hands and feet too. He is fantastic. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Draw your favorite character. Write about him here. Нарисуйте любимого персонажа. Напишите о нем, о ней. The answer. My favorite character is SpongeBob. He's very funny. He's got a yellow body and blue eyes. He has no ears. SpongeBob has got small arms and legs. He's fantastic. Fun time. Read the proverb. What does it mean? Have you got the same proverb in your language? Прочтите пословицу, что она значит, есть ли у вас такая же пословица на вашем языке. One hand washes the other. The answer. This proverb means that friends help each other. Did you know? Did you know? Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Mosquitoes have got teeth. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 88. 88. Word lab. Exercise number 1. Look and complete the words. Eye. The answer. Eye, ear, nose, mouth, face, hair. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and choose the right words. Прочитайте и выберите правильные слова. The answer. Tina has got a little kitten. It has got small ears and small brown nose. It has got 2 big blue eyes. Its name is Belle. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Unscramble the letters. Find the words. Расшифруйте буквы. Найдите слова. The answer. Sue is very beautiful. She's got big blue eyes. Look at that man. He's got a big nose. The baby has got pretty small ears. Giraffes have got long legs. It's got a long tail. Bob has got short red hair. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 89, 89. Exercise number 4. Look, read and answer the questions. It's so cute. Смотрите, читайте, отвечайте на вопросы. Who's got a big head? Саша. Who's got long arms? Who's got long legs? Who's got long tails? Who's got big ears? Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 5. Read and color the picture. Посмотрите, прочтите и заполните. The answer. This is Bowser the clown. He's got purple hair, blue eyes, and a red mouth. Look at his nose. It's orange. Bowser has got a green hat too. He's very funny. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 90, 90. Сивка-бурка. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Послушайте, указывайте на картинки и произнесите слова. Сюэ, tired, yawn. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. That night, the 3 brothers go to the field. They take some bread and cheese with them. They eat and then sit down in the field to wait. The night is very still and quiet. The moon is shining on the wheat, and it makes it look like silver. Andrei and Sergei start to feel very sleepy. There's nothing to see, says Andrei. This is really boring. I am tired, says Sergei, and yawn. Before long, Andrei and Sergei fall asleep, but not Ivanushka. He sits back and looks up at the stars. What a wonderful night, he says. The stars look magical tonight. Suddenly, there is a loud noise like thunder. The field begins to shake. What is that? Cries Ivanushka and jumps up. He looks at his brothers, but they are still sleeping. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring.
It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.